you're learning Montenegrin, Serbian, Croatian, Polish, Russian, German, and so on, you probably heard about the cases, and you probably heard that they are very difficult. Today, I'm going to answer 7 common questions about the cases. Stay tuned. What are cases? Cases are different endings of the words, nouns, pronouns, and adjectives that actually show different meanings in the sentence. They help us understand who is doing something, what role is he taking in this, who is the recipient of an action, and so on and so on. How many cases are there in Montenegrin? In Montenegrin, we have 7 cases: nominative, genitive, dative, accusative, vocative, instrumental, and locative. Each one has its own function and answers different questions. Do other languages have cases? Yes, some of them. For example, German has cases, Russian has cases, Polish has cases, Finnish even has more cases than Montenegrin. Are cases really difficult as people say? Honestly, they can be challenging, but they're often not as scary as people imagine. Many students become afraid of cases even before they start studying them. How do native speakers learn cases? Well, they learn it as kids, and they of course don't think of the grammar rules, so they learn the cases through repetition and correction. Somebody will correct them and then correct and correct and correct, and then eventually they will learn how to use it properly. But unfortunately, this doesn't apply to adult learners. Adult learners need to have some structure and need to understand when they will use which case. What's the best way to learn cases? Don't memorize immediately all the endings. Try to learn through phases and patterns. Learn idem u gradu sam, ja sam iz Crne Gore, živim u Podgorici, and so on. Over time, your brain begins to notice the patterns and starts to apply that as a rule. This is how cases become natural. However, understanding when to use each case requires certain practice, and I'm going to help you with that in my courses. So, what should you remember about the cases? First, they are not unique to Montenegrin. Some other languages have them too. Second, you do not need to master all 7 cases before you start speaking. And third, cases are not something that you can learn overnight. They are something you gradually acquire through speaking, listening, reading, and having a conversation. So, if the cases seem intimidating right now, don't worry. Every fluent speaker started at the place where you are now. If you would like to learn Montenegrin step by step with clear explanations, many exercises, and a structured approach, visit my website. Thank you for watching and see you next video.